Too low to the mall. With a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Jack up with a drum, the bitch ain't never go stop. Be on that 9-4 shit.
Hi guys, so I decided to show you guys what I normally do, especially when I'm having like a flu, like sore throat, catarrh, or you just want to boost your immune system. This combination has been tested and trusted, right? Just get your ginger, get your lemon. Garlic is optional, all right? You can add garlic and cloves. I added cloves too, but I've not added the clove here yet. I normally add the clove when I'm boiling this sieve mixture, right? You boil everything nicely. Don't worry about that lemon back. I did not throw it away. I added it into the pot, and I also boiled it because you need the back of the lemon as well. Like, this recipe I'm giving you guys is top notch, like tested and trusted. You guys, you need to try it out. It works like magic. All right, you're having sore throat, you're having chesty coughs, or you're a bit under the weather, or you want to just boost your immune system. This is the recipe for you. All right, I added more. Later added more ginger to it because I wanted to make it I wanted it to last me for at least 2 days. I normally take this morning and night. Yes, honey is very optional, but I normally add honey to mine. All right, you can add 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. It's really up to you. And this was me when I was drinking it. Like, the thing was just so hot, like I felt it in my throat.
Hi guys.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.